PancakeSwap Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. In this video, I'm sharing my honest experience with PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange built on the Binance Smart Chain. PancakeSwap stands out with its key features like low transaction fees, fast processing, and a user-friendly interface. It's made for anyone looking to trade, stake, or farm assets on the BSC network with minimal friction and maximum efficiency. As a decentralized platform, PancakeSwap doesn't require users to give up control of their funds, which is a huge plus for anyone prioritizing security and autonomy in the DeFi space. When it comes to trading, PancakeSwap offers an easy-to-use swap function for thousands of tokens, including many that are exclusive to the Binance Smart Chain. This is where it beats out many other exchanges by offering significantly lower fees compared to Ethereum-based platforms. You'll also get access to staking and yield farming opportunities where you can earn passive income by providing liquidity to various token pairs. I personally found the process of adding liquidity and farming rewards straightforward and smooth, even for someone relatively new to DeFi. The platform's interface is clean and intuitive, which makes it easy to navigate, even for beginners. PancakeSwap also integrates with popular wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet, allowing for seamless interaction with the platform. One standout feature is its lottery system, which adds a fun element to using the exchange, and its governance model lets you participate in decision-making through token staking. While PancakeSwap offers some compelling benefits, it's not without its risks. Like any DeFi platform, you should be aware of impermanent loss when providing liquidity and the risks associated with farming or staking. Overall, PancakeSwap is a top-tier decentralized exchange on BSC for traders, liquidity providers, and yield farmers who want low fees, speed, and control over their assets. If you're into the DeFi space and prefer Binance Smart Chain's low-cost ecosystem, PancakeSwap is a solid option. I personally find it to be one of the easiest platforms to use with significant rewards potential. Whether you're just getting started or are an experienced user, PancakeSwap offers an efficient and enjoyable way to trade, stake, and farm in the crypto space.